Aquino is simply tremendous. Pinky, I have with me one of Mrs. Aquino's daughter, the Chris, and she has a message of thanks for the Filipino people. If you have questions for her, then she's quite willing to give you... Hold on, here she is. Hi, Pinky.
Hi, Chris.
Yeah,
I didn't get to see you today. I tried to, I wanted to go up to you, but...
I saw your mom and dad last night. Maraming salamat to them.
You know, Chris, I saw you. We had a video of you nung binababa yung mommy mo from La Sala. Talagang, of course, yesterday, Chris, from the bus till today, very touching. Pero kanina talaga hindi ko na napigilang umiyak.
Hindi kasi, Pinky, you know, the feeling kasi was that it was Boy who reminded me na when we rode the elevator in Makati Med, nung nilalabas namin ng mom, he said he saw me crying. And he said the next time that he saw me crying was when we were leaving the morgue. And I was telling Jing earlier that every step you take that brings you closer to Manila Memorial makes it so much more real. And I try not to cry, pero talagang each journey, iyak talaga ako ng iyak kahit pinipilit kong pigilan na.
Well, you know,
can I just take this opportunity to say thank you? We're in the middle of Makati right now, actually in front of the stock exchange, and this is just so beautiful for us. Our hearts feel so wonderful dahil pinaparamdam na mahal ang mom that the Filipinos are so appreciative of what she did for our country, and you know, it brings back so many memories of my dad, and I just wanted to say thank you very, very much because, you know, pag ganito kakalungkot at nararamdaman mong maraming nakikiramay sa'yo, nakakatulong talaga. And you know, I'm looking out the window now and I'm seeing women crying, and I really just appreciate the love.
Ramdam na ramdam, Chris, yung pagmamahal, hindi lang sa mami mo, kundi sa pamilya ninyo.
Yeah, I want to say thank you also because everybody says thank you to us for sharing our mom, and everybody says na they're with us in this, and talagang I'm just so very appreciative, and you know, parang we're a few steps lang at a time nakakagalaw yung coaster and the truck where mom is because of the people, and talagang thank you. I know that this is their lunch break. They sacrificed that to give mom some honor, and talagang I feel so blessed to be a Filipino.
What is it like, Chris, no? Yung tatay mo may monumento dyan sa Ayala Avenue. At pagkatapos ngayon, dadaanan ng nanay mo na sumakabilang buhay.
Yeah, it's parang it's one of those sinasabi nilang full circle moment para sa amin. And you know, Makati is very special to us because this is where my mom passed away. The last month of her life was spent in Makati Medical. And when my dad died, it was the Makati community na isa sa mga una talagang sumuporta sa amin. Kaya itong pagbabalik namin dito ngayon is yung bring up sa amin na the path that we would take would make us past Ayala. Talagang naramdaman ko na this was also our way of saying thank you to the people who were with us from the very start.
You know, Chris, nung napanood ng mga tao, ng mga Pilipino, yung pamilya mo, si Pinky, si Biel, si Balsi, tuwang-tuwa sila kasi kitang-kita kung gaano kasimple at humble ang pamilya ninyo.
Yeah, you know, I think ang mom ko really tries. Parating sinasabi ng mom ko na ako lang daw yung flamboyant sa pamilya. Pero
alam naman natin yun eh.
Sinusubukan namin to the best of our ability na to remain like her. I promised her that na sabi ko, sige mom, tatry ko to be simple like you. Pinky, can I just again say thank you very much. You know, we can't say thank you enough. I just like to say na last night my nephews walked all the way, approaching Robinson's Galleria na nakikamay sila sa lahat ng mga taong pumila until 3 in the morning. My sister Pinky stayed until about 2 in the morning saying thank you to everybody because yun ang tinuro ng mom sa amin na it's so important for us to express our gratitude.
Chris, maraming salamat din. Pero may ilang pa ang katanungan. Yung kasi napanood kita kahapon, yung dalawa bang bodyguard ng mommy mo nandyan with you guys?
Mel is here now.
Andyan na.
Is in the van with us. I mean, is in the coaster with us. Kasama pa rin namin sila.
Oh, pero si Mel, yung sa mommy mo, hindi sa'yo nung nasa high school ka pa?
No, ano mo, Pinky, remember sila Dwight?
Yes.
Dwight driving, they all came last night.
Ah, talaga?
Yes, lahat ng mga bodyguards namin, nung PSG, na nung when mom was president, they all showed up. And they all, they're all in active service pa rin.
Okay.
And it was very touching kasi sabi ko nga thank you na nag-effort silang lahat. They all came together.
Chris, alam ko nandun ka sa likod ng convoy, pero allow me to do this for you, ano? Allow me to describe, together with Ricky, my partner here, si Sister Mary John kasama din namin. Kung ano yung nakikita namin sa screen, kasi understand kapag nandiyan ka, maliit lang makikita mo. Mabagal na mabagal, Chris, yung, of course, the 10-wheeler, nakita mo, punong-puno ng magagandang bulaklak. Yung mga tao talaga nandun sa site, tuloy-tuloy ang pagbano ng confetti ng mga sa offices ng ng Makati. Yung mga tower, well, now they're still at gaya na nakikita mo, they keep up putting up the laban sign.
Yes. We see portions of it, but you're right. Iba siguro kung area yung view, but it's truly heartwarming para sa amin.
Did you expect ganito karaming taong pupunta, Chris?
Yes, Pinky.
Yeah. Even I did.
Na hindi ako nagyayabang, pero I already felt nung time pa lang that we had shared the news about mom's illness and the constant praying and even the little kids writing to her, yung mga